what's up? My name is Marcus Glenn, and I'm doing this video on behalf of Nico Moreno. Before I met Nico, I was basically, going through what most of the world been going through with COVID-19. I have my own marketing agency. We do experiential marketing, tours for artists and authors and different things of that nature. So obviously that shut down, and I lost a big part of my monthly income. And I had to let some key employees go at the time. So, when I first saw the opportunity to work with Nico, my first reaction was like, this guy too comma club winner. Let me think outside the box. Let me try something different. Let me get a coach, something I never, done before. And I decided to join his VIP inner circle. And joining the VIP inner circle, I can honestly say, that the insight that I've been given and the strategies to grow my online business has been remarkable. The first month, I did well over 20 grand. And I never made no more than maybe about 3,500 online ever. So to do 20 grand within my first month following Nico's strategies, has been a blessing, you know what I mean? And I'm able to hire my team back, and I'm really going to launch even higher next time. So, if you're on the fence about joining, go ahead and do it, man. Attack. Because if it's something different, you're trying something different with your business, do it. Because he's going to give you key strategies. And like I said, he's successful already. You know what I mean? 2 comma club winner. I mean, come on. It can only go up from there. So, be prepared